And not only here in Mayfield are hearts heavy, they're heavy also in Bowling Green, where News Channel 5's Chris Davis is. And tonight he remembers two families who lost so many.
Hannah, it is hard to believe, but there are 15 people that died here in Bowling Green. And out of those 15, 11 lived in the 3 houses that used to stand behind me right here on this block. Of course, their loved ones will never be the same, and neither will their neighbors, who consider so many of those that we lost members of their own family. It is hard to describe how much this street lost.
No words come to mind.
For Muhammad Finjan,
Yeah, I sleep here, and my daughter is over there, and my son over there.
he lost everything that wasn't in good enough shape to fit in this truck. For Anna Young,
you can't get the roaring noise out of your head.
She lost her sense of safety.
And I was in the bed and I started to turn over to get up myself. I didn't have time. The ceiling collapsed on me, hit me in the back, knocked me out of the bed.
But other than a few bumps and bruises, she and her grandsons made it out alive.
I told my son, I'm 76 years old and I have never been through nothing in my life like this. Never in my life have I been through anything like this.
Something she wishes she could say about her neighbors.
They were just good people.
The Bessick family lived in the 2 houses next door. 1 adult and 4 children didn't survive.
Knowing that you're not going to see your neighbors no more. Knowing that that baby, soon be a year old in February, is dead. And one of the little girls, she was so pretty. Both of them was just beautiful little girls.
She says they were the kind of neighbors you dream of having, lost in a nightmare of a storm.
I wouldn't have traded them neighbors for nobody.
Which is what truly makes this loss indescribable.
And the pain just now really has set in on me because I blocked everything out, because what we've been through, unless they've been through this, they don't know what we're going through.
Beyond the 2 houses where the Bessick family lived was the Brown family. They lost 5 members of their family. So of all 11 that lived on this block, 7 of those family members were children. 2 of them were infants. It is just heartbreaking to think about. Reporting live in Bowling Green, Chris Davis, News Channel 5.